Hello everyone. A few years ago I made a video about how to fix the problem for the Breville door that doesn't want to shut. And I bought another one for my other house, and once the warranty is over, the door started to act up. Okay, so I'm going to show you again how to remove the top and side sheet. It's one piece, in order to access the timer here to fix this problem. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you need to unplug it. Okay, and the other thing, you need something to protect your house. Okay, because there's a lot of things coming out of it, a lot of grease, you see, because you need to flip it upside down on the side to take care of those screws. Also, you need to take this grip pan. As you can see, I already took it out. So take the grip pan or any accessories that from inside. So take everything from inside so you can handle it with no problems. I think this toaster oven got scared of me because once I get close to it, started to behave. Okay, now we have 3 screws to take care of. Okay, the first, we have 6 screws of this kind. You need this screwdriver to deal with it. Okay, and that's my other son here having fun in the other side of the dining room. Okay, this is a Phillips screwdriver, and you need to put it on its side here. Just what I'm doing. We have here, here, and here, and the screwdriver needs to be long so it reaches the 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Why this is important? Because the metal sheet here, you see these holes? They're held by those 3 screws in the holes. Okay, so take these 3 screws first. After that, you're going to, so these are the big ones. Of course, you're going to save them. You need a saucer just like this one to save all the screws. Okay, all right. I'm going to make it with one shot, no editing. Okay, and once you're done with the 3 here on this side, the bottom, and 3, you can just put the toaster oven back in its normal position. Okay, and you need to take care of these 1. Okay, 1, 2, and this, as I said in my previous video, this is star number 10. Trying to get a focus on it. Yeah, star number 10. Okay, so we have 1, 2, okay, and 1. Yeah. 1 and 2 here. So now the sides are loose. Now what we do now is just, of course you need a cardboard, as I said in the beginning. Helps you protect the floor and help you flip it. You see this, now we need to remove 12 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, once you remove it, the following step is just to pull it. You need 2 people is preferred. You can just try to pry it from here over here. You see? Okay, we're getting there. You need to slice it this way to the back. Okay. Okay. I'm going to see if we can push it with one hand. Actually, we need to push it this way because there are some tabs here, and just like this tab here. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna pause the video. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Looks like there's some kind of rubber here, a rubber seal. Okay, when you pull it, as you can see here, the rubber seal sits under those tabs. That's what made it hard to pull. We're gonna pull it. Okay. Now we have this thing exposed. Now we will see why this thing is not shutting properly. You can see. Okay, here, I got it. This thing is supposed to be down. All right. Okay, I'm gonna push this down. We're gonna push it down. You see, it's curved upwards, which this is wrong because the bad, you see, it's now this thing caused not only a problem with the door, it caused a problem with the timing because this is the timer. If this is up, the timer is going to mess up with the whole cooking process. So what I'm going to do right now, right in front of you, I'm going to just bend it down. I do apologize again, I have a noisy child here. You see, I'm going to bend it all more with my finger. Okay, and let's see. This thing needs to, you see, this hammer that moved by the door needs to be higher than the timer. Let's do it again here. You see, gonna zoom in. You see, door is shut, door is open. Door is shut, door is open. Just make sure I'm gonna give it another bend. All right. All right. You see. So the whole problem is with this timer, this piece, because this thing wiggles and goes out of alignment. So sometimes it damages the timer. So now I hope you're enjoying the noise that my son is making. And okay, you see. Okay, I'm gonna post this video with no editing and no music and nothing. Just I'm sure you're watching this because you wanna know why this thing stops working and the timer is acting up. It's because of all of this. Okay, now to put everything back, it's just reverse, but you need two hands really. If two people is preferred, because I'm used to it, can do it by myself, but I believe you need to get a help, especially with this rubber. Okay, the sealer, it's very important to have it back exactly as they put it in the factory. Okay, that's about it, and thank you for watching, and this video is going to get posted once everything is put together. Thank you very much.